As dark clouds gather on the horizon, a storm begins to brew relentlessly over the ocean, feeding off the warm waters below. Each passing year, these hurricanes grow stronger.
Hurricanes Beryl, Debbie, Francine, Helene, and Milton slam into the coast, leaving homes shattered and lives forever changed. As if drawn by some unseen power, storms march relentlessly, one after another. The year 2024 becomes a symphony of wind and water, a relentless hurricane season that defies expectations and sets its own terrifying records for strength and frequency. Below the ocean's calm surface lies a hidden secret. It's this temperature difference that's key to unlocking the hurricane's might, acting as the storm's supercharger. The warmer the water compared to the air, the more ferocious the hurricane can become, whipping winds into a terrifying frenzy. As our world warms, so do our oceans, feeding hurricanes with more energy than ever before. Like a weightlifter suddenly finding extra strength, these storms grow bigger and stronger, emboldened by the fevered oceans. Imagine every extra degree of warmth making these hurricanes stronger, more destructive, and more intimidating, as if the planet itself is turning up the volume. Behind the scenes, brilliant scientists like Carrie Emanuel unravel these mysteries with precision. His findings remind us that for every slight uptick in ocean temperature, hurricanes become noticeably more potent, their winds howling 5 to 7% stronger with each degree. It's a subtle but certain signal of a future with storms we must brace for. As our planet continues to evolve, these hurricanes are but messengers of change, swirling tales of climate awaiting to be told. In the eye of the storm, the winds may rage, but it's the unseen tide that claims the land. Floodwaters, not the howling gusts, bring the greatest heartache, taking lives and washing away cherished homes. As hurricanes roar to shore, they carry the true force that sleeps beneath the surface, an unyielding flood. Picture the ocean as a silently growing giant, fed by melting ice and warming waters. This giant, bulging ever higher, pushes the limits of its vast basin. When hurricanes like Helene and Milton arrive, they awaken this oceanic beast, driving it to crash upon shores never before touched, leaving devastation in their wake. As the storm churns, it calls forth the sea to conquer the land. Waves rise and surge with a furious power, invading towns and cities, ignoring borders and boundaries. In 2024, Helene and Milton reminded the world that the ocean is both a provider and a relentless force, reshaping coastlines in a matter of moments. The air above us, once just a canvas of clouds, now acts as a reservoir, holding more moisture than ever before. Warmed by climate's relentless hand, this sky stores vast amounts of water, biding its time. When hurricanes strike, they unleash this stored weight in torrents, drenching landscapes in record-breaking downpours. In a dramatic symphony of nature, raindrops fall not as gentle taps, but as an unyielding deluge. In mere hours, hurricanes like Milton transform streets into rivers, an overture of water overwhelming every drain and creek, leaving no dry ground behind. As climate change alters the world we know, it reshapes hurricanes into ever more formidable foes. Each storm now carries the potential to redefine the regions it touches, urging us to wonder, how do we face down this growing threat? The science is a beacon, guiding us to understanding and action, but the clock is ticking. Have these tales of tempest and tide stirred a curiosity within you? The dance of climate and storm is one of endless intrigue and discovery. While some wonder if climate change is the puppeteer behind this year's devastation, the evidence is still unfolding. Our warming world may be tipping the scales, lending strength to these storms. Yet, the full story remains a mystery tangled in nature's complexity. As we piece together the puzzle of hurricanes past, one question lingers like a storm cloud over the horizon. What will the future bring? Witness in awe, learn, and prepare as we unveil the mysteries swirling through our changing world.
Imagine a world that has been gradually warming since the Industrial Revolution. As we burn fossil fuels and release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, our planet has heated up by about 1.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists, like Carrie Emanuel, are seeing a rise in more intense hurricanes swirling over our oceans. These storms pack a more powerful punch than ever before. Yet paradoxically, there's no clear pattern showing they are making landfall more often. The mysterious dance between climate change and hurricanes leaves us questioning what the future holds. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change offers a historical perspective. The number of hurricanes hitting the United States hasn't significantly changed since 1900, The rarity of hurricanes means they fluctuate naturally, like a heartbeat that quickens and slows over time, making it challenging to discern long-term trends. Lately, hurricanes seem daring, venturing farther north into cooler waters, where they once dared not go. These shifts, fueled by warming oceans, could steer these tempests towards unexpected shores, striking places like the northeastern United States and even Europe with newfound intensity. These shifts in hurricane paths evoke a sense of mystery, as storms journey into territories once thought immune to their fury. The warm embrace of the oceans invites them, challenging us to rethink the realms we once deemed safe from nature's rages. Hurricanes may be changing, and with them, the very landscapes we inhabit. In the 20th century, tiny particles called aerosols filled the skies, battling the hot gases of the atmosphere. These minuscule defenders, often born from industrial pollution, unwittingly kept hurricanes at bay by cooling the skies and denying heat for storms to brew. Fast forward to today, where cleaner air regulations have scrubbed away these tiny warriors. As the atmosphere clears, the Atlantic Ocean turns into an expressway for hurricanes, ready to unleash their powerful fury more than ever before. Skyward skyscrapers and bustling neighborhoods spring up along coastlines, unknowingly placing millions in the pathway of impending storms. This dense flocking to coastal havens has a hefty price. Each passing storm takes a greater toll, exacting losses from humanity, one home, one community at a time, stretching lives and wallets to their limits. In 2024, Hurricane Milton made history with its rapid intensification. A beast born from warm waters and clear skies, it stormed along coasts, rewriting tales of destruction and stunning communities who were caught off guard. As Milton made landfall, cries of turmoil mixed with the roaring winds. Homes shattered, businesses drowned, and infrastructure crumbled, marking a new era of devastating, unanticipated hurricane force. Carved into the aftermath is a lesson, the intricate dance between human actions and natural phenomena. It echoes loud and clear: to adapt, we must learn and change in harmony with the world around us. Crucial preparations are underway in towns along the coast, as new resilient buildings rise, designed to withstand the might of the storm. Engineers work tirelessly to fortify bridges and roads, while emergency teams develop advanced early warning systems to alert residents before it's too late. These proactive measures become the lifelines of communities as they battle nature's wrath. A scene of smokestacks billowing greenhouse gases serves as a stark reminder of humanity's footprint on the planet. Scientists, leaders, and everyday citizens gather, determined to cut emissions and embrace cleaner energy sources. The world stands at a crossroads, knowing that every effort now to curb climate change could mean a less tumultuous future. In bustling laboratories, scientists analyze data streaming in from satellites and sensors, piecing together clues about Earth's changing climate. They strive to unlock the secrets behind hurricanes, hoping to predict and mitigate their deadly paths. Their relentless pursuit of knowledge is crucial as communities grapple with these increasingly powerful storms. As the skies clear and the storm's remnants fade, communities begin the long road to recovery. Hope takes root amidst the ruins as volunteers rally to help, echoing the resilience of the human spirit. But the message is clear: to protect our future, we must act now. As you witness the epic struggle against nature's fury, remember, each of us holds the power to make a difference. Climate change is a challenge we can face together. Stay informed, be proactive, and subscribe to our channel for more stories on how we can secure a safer, brighter future for generations to come.